Hello friends, welcome back to the VFX Pipeline channel, and in this video we will continue with our REST API Python video tutorial series. So now as per our last video, we just created a get method, and with that we are able to list all the users exist inside our database. You can see our database is here. Go to HRM user, we have two entries and two entries visible here using Django REST framework. Perfect. What about, let's say, if you want to add a new entry using REST framework, then we are not able to do at this moment because we don't have post method inside user list. Also, you can see here allow get head and options. There is no post here. So how do we get the post here? Very simple. You can go to the same user list inside api.py, create another method here which is post, and in this post again we need request, and for now we just use, for example, okay, we need the serializer. So serializer will be our same user serializer which we have here. So we can just copy this, and this is for post. Basically, when we are creating a new object, that time we need a post, right? So then we need model. So model is same model also we need, copy here. Perfect. So instead of providing this argument like model many true, here we will say no, we want to provide just data, and which is our request dot data. Okay, I think, yeah, you don't need to provide this model here. You just need to, inside your serializer, you need to provide the data which you are receiving. So model also you don't need to see this. This is very simple here. Okay, and then what you have to do is if your serializer is valid, and then your serializer dot is valid, then you can do serializer dot save, and then you can return your response, and the response will be your serializer dot data. So whatever the new entry that you create, it will return that, and also it will return a status of status dot http 201 created. Okay, so because when we created, we want to return this status, and from where this status is coming, you remember we imported from REST framework import status, and this is that status, right? But if there is any error, then we need to handle that part also. Otherwise our URL looks broken and it is not good in the production environment. So you should simply return some errors if something is not valid. So then what you can do is you can return, if this is not valid, then return a response, and in that response, basically, first of all, you just say whatever error inside your serializer, all the errors plus a status, and this time your status will be, what should be the status? Where's our 400 error? 400 error. So that will be actually a bad request error. Okay, so with that you are done with your post. Let's just go there and see, hit enter. Why we are not seeing post here? Refresh. Oh, okay, we are seeing post here, and now you can see there is a console here, and there we can see there are things which we can add new. So let's just go and create some new item here. Let's create a new item, and remember, this ID should be unique. Let's just go and hit this, and definitely we are expecting that our Django will say that, hey, you cannot use the same ID. Let's just go there and execute that. Copy, and post. Perfect. We say the user with this employee ID already exists, so no problem. Let's just go create 3 and change the name. Okay, post. Perfect. We created ID 3 HQ003 Ayan Sharma. Go back to our database. We already opened here. Oops, it's only showing 2. No problem, just refresh and you will see the third one. So with that, with the REST API, now you are able to post data perfectly fine, no issue at all. But where is our other 2? You just go there, because that's what we say. After your post is done, just show the serializer data, which is your new data, and this is our new data. But if we go back again on this URL, we will see all the items there. Perfect. So this is for the post. Okay, in my next video I will show you how you can create put method to manipulate this data. So I will see you in my next video.